Hi, my name is Alia.
My name is Wardah Asyiqin, binti Zulkefly.
Hi, my name is Haslinda Safiah.
My name is Nursyafiqah Raihana.
Today, me and my team members will be presenting about our project. So, basically, our project is an implementation of database for airline booking system to store and retrieve information that related to the air travel. This project is aimed to improve customers and airline agency where customers can perform online booking and help the customer to search for the availability and price of various airline tickets. The database also can be accessed by the main authority who are the admins for them to be able to modify the data by adding, deleting, viewing and listing all the data. Data and information will be managed by 16 entities which are customer, airplane, flight seat, flight book, schedule, destination, hotel, travel agent, meal, transport, activity, payment, staff, baggage drop counter, boarding pass and boarding gate. In this system, customer can get travel agent, choose the airplane, book the flight, hotel, transport, activity, order the meal and also perform the payment. Then all the data and information will be stored in the database.
Right. Okay, so next is projection. For projection, here are two types of projection. This is the first one and this is the second one. So for this one, it is to display the whole data from destination table. So this is the output. And for this one, it is to display only the column for agent ID, agent name and also company name from table agent. So this should be the output.
Next, we will proceed to selection part. So for selection, we have 6 types of selection. Firstly, we have selection using relational. So we select all these from the hotel table where the hotel price is less than 300 ringgit. So the output will be like this. So we will display hotel price less than 300 ringgit. Okay, next, we selection using compound. So we select all these activity from the activity table where activity price is between 200 and 900 ringgit. So the output will be like this. So you display 200 ringgit and between 200 ringgit and 900 ringgit for the activity price. For the third one, selection using range. So we select all this from the destination table where the city is London and Sydney. So the output will be like this. So we will display city, London and Sydney. Okay, next, selection using pattern matching. So we select all these from the customer table where date birth it has string June in the date birth. So the output, okay, so here it has June in the date birth. Okay, for selection using order by, so we select all this from the hotel table, order by hotel rate in descending order. Okay, so the output, okay, so it will display hotel rate from the biggest value to the smallest value. Okay, last but not least, selection using having. So we select depart date and gate no from the boarding pass that having gate no in 2, 20 and 12. Group by depart date and group name. So it will display like this. Depart date gate name, which is gate name is 12 and 20. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Haslinda Safiah Hassan. Next, I will explain about aggregate function. Aggregate function is considered as one of the single table queries. It has count, sum, mean, max, and average. Count will return the number of values in the column. For example, this statement will return the number of rows in staff table, which is 5. And then this statement will be used when we want to count the number of rows with a certain condition. This is where clause comes into place. So it will display only the number of boarding time between 24 April 2020 and 26 April 2020, which is 4. This is combination of count and sum statement. Count is different from sum because sum will return the total value of data in the column, while count will return the number of value in the column. Here is an example of count and sum. So it's 2 and it will total the price. This is a statement of mean, max, and average. So it will give you the value of mean, max, and average of the table. This statement will give us the number of meal in meal table for each meal code and their total price using group by clause. So it will show us the number of meal based on the meal code in each table and its sum price. This is the use of having clause. Having clause is like a where clause, but it is to be used with group by. By having the having clause here, we will get only the number of meal and its price, where meal code is A001 and A002. It will only display the count of meal and its price of A001 and A002.
Next, I will explain two queries that we use in this project, which are join and set operation. Join has simple join, sorting join, outer join, left outer join, and right outer join. First is simple join. Example for simple join is equijoin and natural join. Equijoin and natural join will join two different tables when the condition is equal. In this case, we join customer and flight book, where the customer IC in customer is equal to customer IC in flight book. So this is the output. Second is sorting join. Sorting join is the join in order of any column. So, in this case, this join will sort the table in order of customer IC and plate number. This is the example for sorting join for two tables, and this is for three tables, and this is the output. Third is outer join. This outer join will list out all the airplanes and customers where airplane number in airplane is equal to airplane number in customer. The output will be displayed like this. Lastly is left outer join and right outer join. Our left outer join will list all airplanes including those that have no matching customer, while right outer join will list all customers including those that have no matching airplanes. So this is the input for the two outer join. I run this together to show the difference of these two outer join. Next is set operation. In set operation, there are three sets which are union, intersect, and minus. Union of two tables is table containing all rows in either table A or B or both. So, for this project, this union will list all gate number where there is either a boarding gate or boarding pass. So, this is the output. Second is intersection. Intersection is table containing all rows common to table A and B. So, in this project, based on this code, intersect will list all gate number whether there is both a boarding gate and boarding pass. So, this is the output. Last but not least is minus. Minus is a table containing all rows in A but not in B. So, for minus in this project, it will list all gate number where there is a boarding gate but no boarding pass. So this is the output.
The next one is subquery. Subqueries is considered as multiple table queries. It is basically means select statements embedded within another SQL statement. We have subquery with equality, nested subquery using in statement, subquery using sum, subquery using all, subquery using exist and not exist. It is like some join queries but a bit different. Okay, so the first one is this statement will show the meal that was ordered from a specific customer where the where meal and customer is from a different table. It will combine using subquery, and this will be the output. Next, with in statement, we will get multiple values where customer who chose Malaysia Airlines as their flight partner. This is subquery sum and all. It will give us this output for sum and all. This is all, and lastly is exist and not exist. Exist and not exist basically give you to check if your statement is true or false. If you got the output, it indicates true, and if you don't get the output, it is considered as false. That's all.
And next is view. And here we have created a view from a single table, which is from customer table, and this view is named as customer view. So in this view, the attributes that are collected from customer table are customer IC, customer tel number, customer name, age, customer email, and also date of birth. So when we run it, the view is created, and to see what is in the customer view, it is just the same as the customer table. As you can see, here is what the columns we have selected from customer, and it is displayed in customer view. So from this view, we also can insert data to customer table and also to customer view. Whatever be insert into customer view will also be insert to customer table. So this is to input. So this is the coding to input the data into the customer view table. And then we display the customer view table. So as you can see here, one row is inserted, and before that, we are from the customer view table, we only have from this to this, but now we have this one. From view also, we can also do update. So here, in this case, I want to update the customer tel number from this number to this number. So this is the coding, and this is the output. So here it stated one row is updated. So here it has changed from this to this one. Last one is to select all data from customer table. This is because we want to make sure that we want to prove that everything changed from customer view will also be changed in customer table. This is what we insert from the customer view table. So next one, this is also to create a view from a single table, but this time the table is from activity table, and this view is named as activity view. So in this activity view, the attributes are activity ID, activity name, activity quantity, and also activity price. But this view is will only be created from the data from activity table that the activity quantity is 2 or activity quantity is 3. So the output will be, so next the view will be created, and the output will only be any of these attribute, but only with the activity quantity 2 or 3. So here. So this one is to select activity ID that the activity name is start from theme. So this is also from activity view. So the output will be only the activity ID that the activity name is start with theme. So here it means that there are two activity ID for activity view that has activity name started with theme. Just now is to create a view from single table, and this time it is to create view from multiple table. So here the view is created from schedule table and also from destination table, and this view is named as get-desk view. So in this view, there are depart date, flight status, airplane number, destination country, and the last one is city. So whatever the output will be these columns from both tables. The view is created, and this is from, and some of them are from destination table and some of them are from schedule table. In this statement, in this code, it is to display all data from get-desk view that the flight status is delayed. So only the data that the flight status is delayed is displayed. So next, it is to display the depart date column, flight status, and also airplane number column from get-desk view. But the output should be only the airplane number that start with correct character B, and it is need to order by in depart date as ascending order. Only the depart date, flight status, and the airplane number will be displayed, but only with the airplane number we start with B will be displayed, and all this is ordered by depart date with ascending order. So first from February, from April, and last one is from December. So next we have this code, and this code is to display all data from get-desk view, which the destination country start with United. So it is also order by, but this time it is ordered by airplane number, and it is in descending order. So here it display all data from SCAD dash view, and only the output will be only the destination country that starts with United. This data is ordered by airplane number by descending order. Here is the last one, and the last one here is mean. Mean here is to display. It is to display the destination country only, but the destination country with the minimum characters from SCAD dash view. This is the minimum characters in destination country from the SCAD dash view table.